Kaj.
Ooh.
Discord. Okay. There. Okay. Welcome everyone to this week's community meetup. Hopefully our voice stuff will not break this time and we'll be allowed to actually go around and do stuff. And with that, I want to start off by saying that this is a community meetup event by the community, and we are not affiliated with VRChat or any other group or community within VRChat. All worlds has to play by the VRChat community guidelines and TOS. That this is a must. Meaning that even if it's an IP world you claim that it's yours, that's up to on you. All worlds must be a minimum of 40 users, which you can change on the website. If you don't know where to do it, you can go to the info board in the spawn area and you can look at there on how to do it. Instance types must be friends plus or invite plus. We will decide that whether it's going to be only invite plus or not throughout the event. And we would also like you to not deal with sensitive subjects because that has a tendency to interrupt and disrupt the event. If you have a world that is larger than 250 meg or just large in general, please let us know so that we can adjust where you are on the list so that we can have as many people look at worlds as possible before we get to the larger worlds. And please, please test your world before you show it off. We have had so many worlds that break or do not function because people haven't tested and done last minute changes before uploading. So please do that. If you're in Europe or have a time constraint, or well, time constraint in general, please let us know and we'll put you further up in the list. And we also have an avatar requirement of medium or better, and this is a must, and we will go around and we will ask you to change or ask you to leave, and we will continue to do this until you change or leave. And if you look at Cyan over there and you highlight him and then you press show avatar, you'll be able to see on-screen messages, and you can do the same with me. And these will be messages like, for example, be quiet, or respawn if we're going to a different world. So please do that so you can stay up to date with what's happening. And now, if you have a world you want to show up, please step up inside the red rectangle and we'll write down your names. Okay, I really need to add in that box.
Is way too much.
As in, like, not or the game didn't get dropped, so it's just both.
He's too loud. He's too loud.
Okay.
Too loud. Okay.
I heard you all the way from the kitchen.
Good.
Did it then get louder when you got back from the kitchen?
I went deaf for a brief moment.
We'll be able to use the new object system to, when they step into the zone, to say, hey, they're in the zone, and display them on the board. We can see who's presenting.
Oh, yeah, give that idea to Fax later.
I'll lower the volume for the next time, but yeah, I have Fax Machine, DSMT, Hans, Aaron, Garibo, Drawer, and Coffee Pot. So, Fax, do you want to say anything before we go to your world?
Sure, I'll go right ahead. So hi, I'm Fax. I'm at a world named Wavelength, and it's a social party game where you try to read the minds of your friends. I made it for around 12 players, but there should be enough space for everyone to fit in. Yeah, I'll explain it once we get there, but there's also a wall with a tutorial if you want to read it. And if you don't want to participate, there's enough space for you to just hang out. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have feedback or bugs that you find.
Yeah, and you can just drop the portal down on the floor somewhere.
Right now, that quick.
Preferably not on the stage, though, in the zone, because we don't know if that breaks or not yet.
Okay, I'll place it here in the corner, alright?
I just don't want to trust it.
Yeah.
How much too loud was I, Fiona? What do you think?
Yes.
There it is.
I don't know if you just heard Stabby there. Oh, the portal just disappeared.
Well, yeah.
I guess phase.
So,
Yeah, they did go through.
you'll need to test it out with like 3 people.
So facts.
There's
Phase.
some settings that we had that worked out pretty good.
No, like facts. Phase had posted a setting saying like I think depending on how far you do it, like you should also drop the gain. So it's like you should ask him on like what his like recommendation on the equation is, pretty much.
So, when is a portal start being added to the map where you have to drop your portal to make it easier?
That's a good question. I mean, that's another thing that I guess we could suggest here. But
Yeah.
I know one interesting thing
Because
is
it's
that
like every
he
time
isn't.
somebody has to drop a portal, they're like, oh, where am I supposed to like?
Mhm.
Can't we have like markings, like some sort of grid on the floor where it says portal drops?
I mean, we can definitely do all these
I think
things.
there's
It's just kind of.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's more to
Fax
avoid
or
confusion with
yeah.
that.
Fax machine kind of like dropped the portal on one end.
Thank you.
Oh, hope I'm not on stage here.
I made mine out of
I didn't look at the menus.
Stop it. Hello? Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. You can drop your portal and then we'll see your work first. Because the other portal disappeared and I don't see him.
Hey, Cyan, I'm curious. Did you look at the code yet?
So like all last week I was pretty much trying to debug some dumb audio bug that I made.
Oh, yeah, I can understand.
I don't know if you like
Well,
saw
for
that. Like,
most of this. No, I didn't.
so
I mostly been just. Oh. Oh, that worked, yeah. Oh.
I'll definitely. Oh wait, who? Yes, we're going here. So fax machine dropped the portal and disappeared, so that's why.
Can we go in this one?
Yes.
I don't see the portal thing in front of me, Cyan.
That I need to talk with Fax about. Apparently the Avatar 3.0 updates like break some parameters, and so like I have to go back to my 2.0 version.
Yeah.
So like, how many people see the portal text on your screen right now?
I see it.
Okay, so it sounds like it's just you right now.
I don't. Oh, that's amazing, I guess.
I mean, he's not in.
But yeah.
Portal disappeared. There. Your portal disappeared.
But yeah, Cyan,
Just went to this one
I
next time.
did not code anything on Cyan or anything because I was too addicted to playing old school RuneScape.
Go to the portal.
That's fine, because it gave me like time to like look into that stupid bug.
Well, I'm just thinking that you hadn't looked at it or something.
I mean, it is true just because of like, I introduced the audio thing, but like because of one, like the combination of that plus my combat system change basically made it such that the audio like just broke if you were far from the 0 point, and it's just like it took me all week to figure out what that was. Because I was like, Orels, who was helping on one of the like.
Try again.
I basically had a world that I was like able to test it with, but it was just kind of dumb. But yeah, I'll try to get to it soon.
Wow, 70.
Oh wait, yeah, we still have more people in here too. We're almost maxed.
Actually, I thought we were.
So if you tell me your, hold on. Oh. Lag. I don't remember if they were gonna just like, take video game music, but yeah. So since we're no longer at the hub, you can't just join based off the link, which I should just start putting the link inside my chat here.
Hey, Cyan, so is this when achievement unlocked full house?
We've gotten it multiple times.
Yeah, I know.
But yes, if you tell me your VRChat name and send me a friend request, I'll accept it, and then you can just join off of me. Okay, so let's see if I can actually complete this one this time.
Broke it and yeah, and like it just didn't work.
But yeah, Cyan, I guess when you read my code you're gonna accept it or say something needs changing or something. Especially
So based off what you
talked about last week.
No, based off what we did talk about last week, honestly, it's probably better to just like make a quick name suggestion and then just accept it just to get the feature in so that people can use the functionality. But then it's just like, eventually, obviously, as we said, it's going to be completely replaced. But it's like, it'll have...
All my code, as I said, it's just, it's there, and it can be replaced if there's a better solution.
I mean, I don't know when the better solution will come out, so it's like, people will get value out of it if it's in there already. So it's like, might as well.
Yeah.
I think there's one piece of it that might need to be like added just because of like it's not or it's not modifying the other like get scale value, or so it's like that might need to be like added, even if that is like some like dumb value. Like it really just affects like how long your reach is for interacts. But if you just like multiply that number to that location, it like should work out.
Figure out what's going on here.
My thing actually.
I'm gonna look at it at some point. After this, I'm gonna grind more old school RuneScape. I can't fall behind in the current event.
Oh no! But yeah, it's fine. I'll add like my actual like description of what I just said there. What? Okay.
Yeah.
Performance, medium performance or better.
All the performance is horrible right now.
I don't know what yours is, actually.
I'm at 22 right now.
Because it's not loaded yet.
All of my... Wait, I need an avatar that's what color?
Okay. I guess...
Orange or better?
Time to look around again.
Yeah.
Orange or green?
Oh, yeah, orange, green.
Hey, can I upgrade my CPU yet?
Shit, my other avatars won't even fucking work in this world.
Wait, am I desynced for you?
No. No, you're right there.
Would blue be okay or not?
That was a little delayed.
Blue? There is no
Okay,
blue.
interesting. So like,
I
am moving now. So I have moved behind you already.
Oh, I'm following you now. I'm following you now. I'm following you now.
I should have mentioned that.
That was delayed.
Yeah.
Because I could hear you say I'm moving now, and then a second later to a second you started moving.
Yeah. Okay. That's interesting to know, but it's not bad enough to like be forced to move on.
Better?
I don't.
That means I can like say, screw you.
Medium, it's okay.
I mean, I still see that. It's just you don't see when I move.
Yeah, it's just... Okay, I can't even give you the finger like if I tried 1, 2, 3.
So hard.
I mean, wait.
You definitely have the chance to move out of the way.
No, it's like I think I see you synced. You just don't see me synced.
I can, so hopefully he'll still
Okay.
Based off your like position.
I'm gonna close my hands now.
Yeah, that's synced. So it's like
that's right.
I don't know when you'll see my hand out.
Ahead of time to wear a green avatar.
Yeah, I do.
A light avatar.
And close.
Okay.
It's kind of required.
That was instant. So
Yeah,
maybe
it seems
the
like-
desync disappeared.
No, I think desync is position based rather than it being hand based.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know.
I'm moving now.
Okay, yeah, you
No, stop.
seem fine.
We have.
Okay, we should probably view the world instead of like talking about us being desynced the entire time.
Christ. Dude, this is just like
Okay.
Mario 64. I'm very much impressed.
I remember this word from last week.
Well, it's public now, so like that's good. Oh, what is all this? They have a where's the castle room? So can we go out of this?
I don't know.
Cyan, look at this text rendering. Oh.
Yeah, it's so good, especially when you're far away.
Very
Doesn't flicker
pixel-
at all.
As a bitmap font, it should look sharper up.
Well, I mean, from back here, it's like aliasing a little bit.
Yeah.
How's it going?
But I feel like most worlds suffer from this problem. Either they have mid-map textures and artifacts around the glyph edges, or they...
Oh, that's Merlin's UI shader, I think. That's been out for like a couple of years.
Yeah.
I don't know where it's like located for
no,
other people to
Merlin's-
download it.
As far as I know, Merlin's UI shader does not support mid-mapping, at least when I tried it.
I don't know.
There was one person who did claim it. Like, you literally had to like duplicate the font or something, and then you could edit like the checkbox.
Yeah, you make an editable copy, and then...
Wait, were you the one who said that like years ago?
It might be, like, maybe in 2018.
I remember somebody like being super proud of discovering that button in like the Worlds channel.
Okay, yeah, that was me.
Okay.
But still, it's still a compromise. Either I have mip maps or I have Merlin's UI shader. So.
Okay.
He looks the same.
Yeah.
Just kind of funny. It's like I didn't recognize your name from that.
He's gonna throw shaders in front of
Oh,
your
I've
eyes.
not been very public.
Okay.
Somehow you that fact retained somehow in your brain. Good job.
I mean, it's a detail. Nobody thought about doing that.
Show his avatar. It lets him do that.
But look, I can just keep going to words. Official VRChat words and the rendering so flickering. Pain.
I'm gonna go get the
Pain.
other guy.
Okay, I keep getting distracted. I should actually look around the world.
You should. Have fun, man.
Seeing it in a project was like blew my mind. I'm like,
Oh wait, disappoint. Wait, so he did change that. They don't get smaller anymore.
Guys, killing things gives you more frames. Get
What?
faster and-
What happens if we kill you? Okay, it's disappointing not having sound.
Is he okay? The fuck?
Okay, can I make it? I got a star, finally.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hello. You're 2D? Obviously, just gotta keep doing that sound. Oh, no! I guess they fixed it. You can't go up that anymore.
Can do it.
That was a lot faster than I expected. Okay, you're just gonna keep hearing Mario sounds this entire time. Oh. Can I do anything? No, it doesn't look like it.
In my world, I don't have any exceptions for my account. I just did content for the master of the world. They can
Did not remember that one.
No. God damn it. I think kick.
Wait, do I have to ground pound? Oh, that's what heal me. Oh, okay.
Oh, he's dead. Oh, we know he's dead.
Oh my! Oh, and I'm wondering why my
wish it's not working. I'm smart.
Took the cannon.
Wait, how do I use it? That's how you use it. Are you supposed to be able? I thought you were supposed to be able to fly up here.
Alright, where's the
Fucking
last
thing here.
Okay, I'm getting buzzes.
That's a cruising call. So it might be. I'll keep an eye open.
Still need 10 more coins, pretty much.
Need help?
I almost got it.
I got all of them. Yeah.
See you later, Stinky.
I just got all three, and it doesn't do anything.
Do the bombs give us coins? Because I don't remember that one in the game.
What you can do is, like, if you really wanted to refine the shrine even further, and you can always, like, import them into Blender and make them all.
I forgot. Did we have to cheat for this guy, or is it just like you actually have to race him? Just constant Mario sounds. Oh no, I'm not gonna get it. Okay, I got all the stars just in time. Wait, why does the red one say like 810? 818, I mean.
Thanks.
Wait, we can fly. Oh, hi.
Drop a portal and then drop a portal.
Walk in, okay?
We'll wait. We'll wait and then go in after you.
Get all the stars you can find.
Awesome, let's find any spot. How about here? I'll just put it right here on the stone.
Good. I don't.
Oh, it might be close to spawn.
No, I think spawn's back.
Yeah.
I think spawn's back there. It should be fine. Yeah, like spawn's in the corner over here. Like, we just need to pick a spot and go.
Let's do like Gotta wait for the world list to load. There is. Oh, there's 3 people playing.
Find a place to put them down.
Alright, let's wait for a moment.
You can go. You can go.
Is this gonna be a
Yeah.
Cyan, I do not see your messages. What's going on?
Oh, facts.
I
I
see
think
him.
because of the avatar update, like we have to use a 2.0 avatar.
Oh, right.
So it's like I'm on 2.0 now. I just haven't been using them. So like you'd have to make that one go.
Are we going through?
Yes, go through.
I was with this before. If he's actually gonna play this with like 40 people, not even 40, 70 people, this is gonna be complete and utter chaos and
I mean, we're probably
disarray.
just gonna pick like a small group rather than everybody. Wait, did Facts already go through?
I mean, I don't think there's a way to play multiple games like at once.
Well, no, there's definitely
Or, you know,
not. You'd have to
different
just
groups.
watch.
Yeah.
It's been so long since I've seen this old avatar. Wait, do people see my message? Like,
Portal.
Okay.
Portal.
And now I shall not.
Portal. Where's the orange portal?
Any second now. Any second now.
not on this avatar.
Any second now.
You only like blue
Come on,
portals?
go in,
What's
go in,
wrong
go
with
in, go in.
orange portals?
Wrong game.
Oh.
I still just haven't updated my avatars. Been too lazy. Wow, we pretty much are like maxed out here. Did we get in the right inst? Oh no, there everybody is. Wow.
Looks great though.
Where is Fax Machine?
Yeah.
I don't think I saw this last time.
Somebody ran by me and said toilets, and it was kind of terrifying. Yeah, especially in VR. Somebody just fell off the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like my dream.
Okay, there you are.
Did they take his third
Oh.
dimension?
Things are fine for
his life.
For me, I'm ready to.
Yeah, but you have to wait until everybody's loaded.
I heard things are fine for me, and then something, and he stuttered out.
Good. Yeah, because your voice is lagging for us. Because all the people are loaded.
There, now Cyan's loaded.
Oh, by the way, if you have something to.
Oh, he's master.
The volume should be louder in here if the voice stuff works.
Hmm. It didn't sound like you were louder, but maybe you're not in the space yet.
Okay, I'm gonna get used to that.
The Fax Machine should rejoin the world so that they can actually.
Yeah, can you?
There's some master-only things to show.
Oh. Well.
I'm not sure what he said, but I'm sure it was good.
By the way, if there's a button at spawn that will let you turn on the barriers, or you could just fall off right now and activate it so you don't do it accidentally later.
As people just jump off.
Yeah. So like, if you can jump off, then jump off and activate the barriers.
Are you in desktop mode then?
It's optional, you know, some people like it.
You could maybe also add a button at the start to enable the.
If this was a board game, not a suicide cult, what's happening?
Welcome to the community meetup.
Yo, jump off this cliff.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that is a little.
Cyan, do you want to do the quiet please? I
Oh.
don't
To
know if
participate in
that's
the game, you don't actually have to. Yeah.
If only I had like an area-based quiet, please.
We're all trying together to read the mind of the person who's playing. In this case, this is Tate Diabetes, or if I press the button, that would be me. And we all see two words, for example, bad and good, and those are two concepts on a spectrum. For example, on the left would be the best thing ever, which is obviously VRChat. So if I said VRChat, you would all have to stand here. Does that make sense? On the left would be the worst thing in the world, which are obviously the chicken burgers at Burger King, in my opinion. And you would stand here.
You said
And we
VRChat, I'd
concept
stand
in between.
here.
Anything at Burger King is
This game is
terrible.
draining.
For example, what would be 2/3 to the left of bad? And you have to read my mind and think what I'm thinking. So, let's try this. On a spectrum from bad to good, where is Facebook?
Oh, it must be over here.
I'm assuming everyone in the crowd is going to go over there. So wait, Facebook is better than like
62 points.
chicken burgers from Burger King?
Chicken burgers from Burger King. Those chicken burgers invade your privacy so much.
I mean, listen, it's not that hard to be better than Facebook, right? You're not setting a good bar to be better than
Okay,
something.
what's
That's
the
like
next
saying,
one?
ooh,
What's the next
that's
one?
ooh.
No,
I'm
no.
better than
I'm saying it the other way around.
What is...
It's got to be worse than Facebook. That's the bar.
That's a hard bar to hit.
Where is that?
Wait.
That'd be right
Oh,
here.
everyone just went.
Really, the best, the greatest, the best advice would be use an excellent avatar.
Oh, that's an interesting point. Well, no, that's difficult advice though, because then it's like you have to actually get to that point.
I
only use avatars that have intro music.
Button! Work! There it is!
Oh,
This is me.
it was decent advice. Oh yeah, use it super good.
Let's be fair. It's better than nothing.
It's better than nothing, that's true. Alright, I have some people who have already played this, so if you want to hop in and play around,
wait, this is 3.
shouldn't be a problem.
Knowing my law public yet? I have a this game is really cool, but we have a lot of people at the meetup. How about like a rapid execution mode where you do it, you give us a hard one, and if they're not in the thing, they have to go stand on the side until the game's over. You know what I mean? Like last man
Oh, that's a good one! Okay, we'll turn it into a battle royale. If you score 0 points, you have to leave the circle. We play until only few people left.
Okay.
The battle royale mode.
Alright.
From worst living person to greatest living person, where is, I'll just think of a person exactly where the game suggests, in my opinion, and you of course all know me, Elon Musk. Here we go.
Oh shit. That's that. Oh oh, this is right.
I just haven't moved, so it's like I have no idea. Well, are we talking about the person or the achievements here?
That's the. I mean, like, as far as exactly, he's a mixed bag. That's why I'm in the middle.
Enable shaders.
I like terrible memes.
Oh, I got points. I got points. I can stay. Cyan, you're out. I was totally right
That dude, when you ask the question,
he is pretty bad.
Okay, everybody else get off the stage.
See, I was actually perfectly at 4, and then I thought maybe he liked him better than I thought because I didn't know him.
oh, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the game.
It's basically like a gradient between those two options. He asks a question and he's supposed to figure out where he wants the answer to be.
By the way, there's a mirror.
I guess you get to see people's preferences for color now.
And I didn't have any question. Rubik and I are obviously on the same wavelength. As soon as I managed to press my good job.
How is orange a sexy color? I don't understand. It's the worst color besides like puke, green, and brown.
On a
Sunrise and sunset.
Colorful. Where is? Great.
What kind of question is this? What the hell?
I trust you.
Rubik has to pick.
Is it color?
Well, yeah, yes, it is a color. Fuck, man, you're making me think this is a trick question.
We got 3 left. We got 3 left.
Where is
Ah!
pineapple?
All the way over there. All the way over there.
This is definitely one of those you have to understand the person games.
Yep. That's what it's called. Was
Mind reading.
3, 2, 1. You're out!
Rubik. Yeah, they're in.
Okay, final round. 2 contestants remaining. On a scale from geek to dog. Where is Sheldon Cooper?
Oh, he's actually both.
Isn't this like the same thing that would happen with us?
Yes.
Isn't that cheating how they're like both going together?
Yeah, this is it. I think
Okay, we can all get back on then.
Good job. Nice.
Oh, I forgot.
Nice world. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a pretty fun game. It is more fun with more people. We were doing it with just the 2 of us, and it was entertaining. But we're like, clearly we need to do this more with more people. We should have a.
It's great with 2 people too. It's really enjoyable.
How do you
with
choose the numbers out there?
I do not choose. Oh yeah, that's intentional. I just want to see. I just want to let people know that that theoretically it could be worse.
Or better, depending on your like side.
Should we just keep going casually with rounds until the next word starts?
I'm not sure. How long have we been here so far, and how many are on the list? We're kind of in the last word for a while, though.
10, 15 minutes. But also facts.
I'll just do rounds until the next one starts, okay?
Okay.
Facts. Your voice doesn't get louder in the middle. That doesn't work.
It should. It should. I removed the low pass filter. Okay. Famous, infamous. Let's see.
Are you ready to receive it? Yeah, you gotta take it. Do it else I'm gonna lose mine too. Are you ready?
How about that guy?
Okay, I'm ready.
Did you take it? Everybody
I did.
check out.
No, I don't see a third dimension.
It's loading into
Third dimension.
Yeah.
Yes, spectacular work.
Player, that was great. I do like how the roof and stuff is like
nice
invisible,
person.
so
That's
you
fine.
can like see.
Did you know? I didn't know. It should be a person you know.
Bakery subsurface
You know what? I'm just gonna skip this because this seems controversial. From casual to formal. Todd, think to your Starbucks barista.
I always wear a suit and tie when I talk to my
Everybody's
You know, this is awesome for ordering
I'm not gonna swear at them, but it's pretty cool.
You kind of nailed it.
When you're dead by like an inch and you're like, alright, I'll be honest.
Fear of virtual reality.
Fear of virtual reality. It's very reasonable.
Yeah.
It's not all that.
For like here.
I think it just depends.
Yeah.
He's in virtual reality, so.
Is of course right in the middle, so perfect. Good job.
Oh, there we go.
You see what I mean by chaos? You
No.
caught on now.
Mm-hmm.
Bad gift and good gift. Okay. I'm gonna say $1 million. How's that?
Well, that's a pretty good
Taxes. Taxes. If we got any millionaires.
The taxes aren't part of the gift.
Hi, I didn't know you were a millionaire. Hi, you're way rich.
Just adds more sustenance to it.
Making a mistake to swap left and right. Of course, I meant it's a great gift, but I said.
Too late.
Wait, Hi is clearly the mind reader here.
I'll just jump off.
Yeah, he had to read a mind for that. He was like, yeah, dude, $1 million? That's a shit gift. Next world inside.
Yeah, we should do that. Do you want me to do the, or do you have the message?
I have it on the this one.
Okay. Let's like before we like move on. Let's ask if everybody sees it just to like confirm. Because I'm not sure. Like, okay, if we see respawn, then we should. I mean, the people over there weren't. So, I guess finding Hens, who's right there. Oh. Hens, do you want to say anything before your world?
Actually, yes.
Okay. I guess we now need to gather everybody around.
Cyan right here.
Also, show Fax North, who's over here in the corner, or was in the corner. Where'd he go? Yeah, right here. Yeah. Also show his avatar.
There you go. His avatar's showing all the way.
Okay. Whenever you are ready, can you put back the quiet, please? We're about to move on. Can everyone listen to Hens, please? Oh, I guess.
This is the world me and Toby made together in Roblox because Unity's collab feature is poopy and it didn't work. So I made it in Roblox and then we put it to Unity.
Let's go! Okay.
It's in Roblox. Oh no. Oh, this is
10 people.
Okay.
Well,
that's gonna be interesting.
That's a you thing. Just go in. It is faulty.
Oh yeah. It says 40 on like our side, so it should be fine.
It is a good world. It is a very good world.
Nice. Thanks for trying my world, everyone.
No feedback. He leaves.
We actually had 10 extra people trying to join the previous world.
Yeah, I was pretty sure we were at the limit. We should go in if you see the portal.
The instance info was showing 90 people in there.
Wow. That's a big meetup today. I just realized I left Last World muted. So this is the ability of making content in Roblox?
It's fascinating.
Okay.
Ban people make worlds like this.
Ban people? What?
Like, oh my god. Me and Shrek don't have a good past.
Hey, Cyan, could we possibly make a dungeon to punish Hens?
I mean, you have the option of making a world and showing this off at a community meetup.
He showed up in my room.
I'm gonna make a world that forces Hens into a chair. Oh.
I mean, remember, this world has a collaborator.
Yeah. I watched both Hens and Toby like make this world in Discord. I can vouch they did actually make this in Roblox.
Wow.
Well, it won't surprise me because he converted multiple things from Roblox.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I had that headset on so I could fucking do a bunch of shit, but I can't.
Okay, I guess
I'm still waiting for your avatar to load for me.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I mean, I see a bunch of people who haven't loaded for me either. Like, yeah. Thanks, VRChat.
Oh no. Germany.
Okay. I'm gonna go explore whatever that thing is. Is it a treehouse? Whatever it's gonna be considered.
That looks like a cursed place.
I love it. We just finished a haunted house, live virtual reality sort of immersive theater haunted house kind of thing.
I haven't seen this kind of thing.
There's just like so much visual in here.
What is going on?
I think the answer is what is going on. It's everything is going on, and yet nothing is going on.
I mean, it's one of those questions of like, well, I guess this is what Roblox is like.
So it does seem just kind of like, hey, someone made something. Well, let's stick it in there. Hey, I found this. Stick it in there. Now, as far as I can tell, there's no interacts in here or anything. It's just
I mean,
a
if it's a
museum
direct rip,
of
then yeah.
bizarre. Oh.
I mean, I don't know if it is, but
This may be the most normal-looking room in here.
this one, yeah, because it looks like it's a display case of game assets.
Yeah, a display case with a bed, as opposed to like the rooms in which it's just like, why is there a box with arms and legs?
Because we have it. Wait, is this the top of it? I guess it is.
I have not found any interacts anywhere, so I don't think they put any in.
Yeah, I don't expect it.
I think the Luigi George are my favorite.
Wait, where's that?
Oh, the giant statue in the corner.
Oh, Waluigi.
The Waluigi with shorts. Sorry.
The Mountain Dew.
What should I say? Sonic.
Oh, so it is.
I think I've seen most of it.
Sign. It's the original concept from the Sonic movie. They had to iron out some stuff, of course, but you know.
What is it? Round edges? Yeah. No collider. What is even going on in here?
It's an Adopt a Puffle. Pretty cool. Pretty rad.
Adopt a Puffle.
You think what you want. I wish I had the dedication and the work ethic of Hens and Toby. Like every week they make a bunch of shit.
Yeah, adopt the Puffle. Every week.
So I don't know if they make every single one of those each week. Some of them were already public, I think, and then they were just like, okay, now they're making the content.
Oh, yeah. I think they started coming to the meetup and showing off the stuff that they had. So some of it, like the
I don't have time to
Watershed?
share stuff currently.
Yeah, water closet. Water closet is really old.
Water closet.
That makes more sense. I was gonna say art like this you can't do in a week. This had to be years in the making, refining it and stuff like that.
I mean, that may have been years in the making of their mind.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you know.
Imagine like 1 week, like they just come up with like a pro level game dev thing. It's like perfect graphics and the best physics. They're just like, oh yeah, we made this.
I can't wait.
Most innovative VR thing ever.
Well, okay, I will point out that this was the path of Igbar, right? So Igbar was like the shit poster world, and then he went, and I don't know if you saw Mirim, which is the last thing he made.
So, like, okay, Igbar was not always...
Compare that to Beeves.
So the difference, though, is that Igbar knew how to make good content. He just decided to only make meme content. Like, there was a few times that he showed off, like, the quality stuff, and it's just like, why is this not public?
Like, Cyan, do you know how much, trash content he posted to YouTube before he went to VRChat?
I mean, Igbar von Squid, the Minecraft role player. I mean, let's put it this way. He actually got popular enough to have somebody try to imitate him, and people believed it.
Oh man.
Wait, really?
Yeah, like, that was actually a whole drama situation.
In the Minecraft community.
Yeah.
I feel like this world no one's gonna visit besides the person who made it.
I don't get the point of image.
We visited.
Like, it's a completely like trying to like impersonate them. You know what I mean, Cyan?
Wait, say that again?
Hey, what up?
I don't get people that try to impersonate completely.
Yeah, I don't get it either.
Look for the guy in the striped sweater.
Yeah, I couldn't find him. He was in one of these weird ass houses.
Like I can see it shortly as a joke, but that's about it.
Mm-hmm.
Like
you just collapsed in on yourself.
Like I guess somebody has been like you, Cyan, and then just like pretended to do something in full body or something.
Well, I mean, the person imitating them were not in the or not in VRChat, so it's like, it was weird.
A horrible.
Oh.
Like I heard that like somebody was like, oh,
But I guess some people
left here.
like
the big
pretended to be you just as a joke.
Oh, I accidentally left the hand.
I mean, have you not seen all the like Cyan meme avatars?
Oh my gosh.
I have.
The Cyan Ling, the Jordo
People
Cyan.
to this group, but like I really quickly picked up on like Cyan becomes a meme and like half the content. It's like, oh, here's my world, and by the way, Cyan, come here, open a closet, and it's like Cyan just dancing.
I wonder if he like joined in around the time of like I guess my birthday last year or something when they had like the Cyan Lings and the Cyan like imposter avatars.
Everything's just a fucking meme.
Just like I remember when I joined, there was someone running around with a Cyan hoodie type thing, and they were like chasing you around. I forget what the context was or who it was, but
So
it was
that-
the hoodie that.
Oh, like ChanUps has the literal like Cyan hoodie. I don't know if it was that one.
It might have been that. It might have been
I
that.
thought somebody wanted to fight me because Edamame.
Okay, how long have we been in this world?
Okay. Relic, you may have missed the early announcements, but if you could wear an avatar that's medium or better performance while you're at the event, that's the rule.
Got you. Cool. Did you not? Oh yeah.
And that reminds me, no wonder my frames are low.
Was good. Did you lie to me?
That one is good.
I was just about to say that is a bad performing avatar, and I'm like, oh, it's just basic snore.
Yeah, because of 3.0 is like messed up now
My
without.
bad. I actually forgot to tell him that. I forgot.
Like, I already noticed that some of my animations don't work.
Just wear the shittiest
Wait, what exactly happened? Because I just like bounced out for a week, and I was like, I'll just wait. Like, I got stuff I can do.
So I don't know the full detail, but apparently if you like certain tracking types, like full body, like if you are in that, like some of your Avatar 3.0 stuff just doesn't work. Like it might work for you, but not send over the network. There's other things of like something changed relating to what is it in the animator? I think it was right defaults. So I don't know what the details on that one are since I haven't looked into it, but it was just like it sounds like something broke with if you had right defaults on your Avatar 3.0 states. And so it's like it's not behaving as people expected. But I do very minimal with 3.0. Like the other one was just like a replacement for this, which my CPU's going really heavy. Oh
my god.
Sorry, distracted.
You look like you might need to recalibrate. You're kind of like kinked.
I suppose my leg is a little.
You're triangled.
I don't see anything going on.
I mean, it forced me to reload when I did my safety settings. No, but still kinked.
Yeah, there you go.
Like I'm at the point where
No, you look better now.
basically
Before
used
you
to
were
use
kind of hunched
recalibration,
and your hip was cocked. Now you look more normal.
Oh,
Did you find something?
Toby, you're gorgeous.
18 days.
Good job on the world.
One.
Like all Toby, I was looking for you in this world.
Someone said
Your face
it's like as if a small kid had social media and they pasted on everything they thought was cool.
He's more.
Two kids.
He's more efficient than you are.
Yep.
Oh damn.
I really
kids.
like
You're right.
the
Two kids.
I really like
Accurate.
the Waluigi Miku with the Denver Nugget jeans in the back.
I'm on like 20
The
frames
Kevin
a second
Smith
looking
jorts.
that direction.
I appreciated that
No,
too.
no,
I'm at 25 this
the
direction.
Waluigi Miku with the,
Yeah.
with the
If you look that way,
Nugget
Sam, you're going
jeans.
to
I
die.
only remember that because my friend made a model.
Indeed.
Someone
13.
told him to make a vision.
Indeed. You know what?
More text messages.
Put my meat
So apparently, Fax is like checking the API data, and we have like a full instance with 10 people still trying to get in.
Wait, you wasn't the API data?
Well, I mean, he's just reading numbers for some reason. I don't know what he was reading, but like it said like something at a
Can you
90.
tell who's trying to join, or
I mean, people mentioning in the Discord channel as well, but like I don't know if it like there's no easy way to be like, hey, this person's trying to join. It's just kind of like, hey, I can't join.
Jesus Christ, already full and people trying to join.
The annoying thing is it doesn't even tell people if it's full when they try to join.
I feared this day would come.
No, right. That's a problem.
The meetup being
Then
too
again,
popular.
roughly halfway through the meetup, a lot of people dip, so it's up to
Hey,
change.
we should request double. We should request request 80-player worlds. Oh no.
I mean, I can talk to Dan about that, and he's just gonna be like, "I hope you like lag."
Yes.
I thrive on lag.
It's gonna be like.
I mean, that's what we do. We have to have been here at least 10 minutes. Oh, wait, or are we doing? We don't have that many people this time, right?
No, we only had like 6 worlds on the list, I think.
The cap of players, I think the
frames, here are the
maximum would probably just be like 100 or 120.
Hey, how to get more frames? Get a Ryzen when they release.
Ryzen.
I don't think I'm upgrading my computer anytime soon.
Popular Halloween world is Kmart.
Kmart's Halloween?
I guess it has 100 and the next closest is like 15. Actually, I guess Kmart's Halloween.
Okay. Okay, so I'm not sure if the like things are going to be like working. I'm just gonna respawn just to make sure I don't miss Fax's
Have we ever
message.
reached this level of like?
Oh, look, there it is.
There's a respawn.
We have like
That's okay.
AE. Then
I don't know if we've ever reached 80 plus 10, but I don't know if we've ever like counted. We've definitely had max before.
Yeah, we definitely had it before, but like.
Oh, there's still a lot of people here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
So you have a feedback form where you ask people to like this work. And if they hit any button, it checks if they have the enabled.
There's Max.
Yeah, how do you check if somebody has the URL thing enabled?
Oh, by the way. I just try to open an untrusted URL. If I get an error, they have it disabled. And then I can just
You're trying to open untrusted URLs on my computer? How could you?
I think we should fix that.
Oh, have you already talked to Aaron then? Or no, he looks like he's AFK. Oh, I believe you're next. Yep. Wait, hold on. Wait. You get the master bug.
I got the master bug? What's that mean?
Have you heard people like stuttering voices?
That's what's happening.
Yeah, people keep saying that I have, that I'm stuttering.
Yeah, if you are a master in a world like this, like your voice will just continue to stutter like every now and then. So it's like the only real way to like solve that is like rejoining, and it's like I think we're full.
Yeah, let me. No.
Okay.
No, maybe I will. Yeah, I'll say something.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we'll have everybody sit around.
Too bad I don't have a gather here, please.
Hey guys, Aaron's next. Aaron's going.
He's messed up.
Alrighty.
Yeah, that'd be.
Alright, so I made a manga world, so you can actually pick up the manga and read it, and it's from One Piece. So if anyone likes One Piece, you'll enjoy this world. And if you don't, then you can like easily get into it by reading. Because I have like new chapters and like old chapters.
So basically. Okay, I think he stopped.
Your voice exploded.
Oh, is it stuttering? Yeah, I got the dubstep disease right now. I keep dubstepping. Oh, really? How much did you hear? I got the dubstep.
You have the old stuff too?
We got the point. We got the point.
The portal then?
Yep.
You got the wobs and the blubs.
But I don't read books when I get the anime adaptation.
I am putting the 4Kids version in there too. One comes in the mail.
Kids. For this moment, Asia. There's a reason I read it every Thursday.
Yeah, it's the first 3 episodes.
I just thought of it. You remind me a lot of Princess Carolyn because of the little cat outfit and you just seem so formal.
Love that.
Wait, it's 26. This is not. Wait, 26.
Wait. Did he already go in?
Stop.
Aaron, why? Wait, what happened?
You don't have weight?
We were only gonna get like half of the people in.
So 30 people would be left out.
Wait, Aaron. Like, what is it like the player count for you?
Exactly.
I'm excited.
Oh, no. I'd have to change it real quick on the website.
Okay, we might have to.
Let me change it. I can change it real quick. Hold on 1 second.
But
It might be cached for some of us.
change words, so.
Is it gonna be? Okay, so if that's the case, we have to go to a different world first.
To actually be from
Yeah.
from a game.
There we go.
Should I do it?
Do you have anything you want to say? Oh, I guess I can turn that weight off now.
Yeah, this time I have to say something. I'm getting behind on the scoreboard.
We got it.
Okay,
Okay.
we're gonna test player audio, player voice audio, and everything.
Oh no.
So I made a test word. Everything, like a lot of stuff is exposed now in Udon. We can work with layer audio and can like control players individually.
Alright, I updated it. I already had the page open.
Alright, we'll do yours next after we go through there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's a huge menu. You can use everything as local. You can tweak all the values. Be careful with volumetric radius because it makes everything loud. But yeah, you can choose ranges, everything. The whole thing is in a tiny forest. The trees might be a bit too expensive. I didn't expect that. We'll see. But yeah, there's also sound occlusion. So if you go behind the wall, there is a slight bit of sound occlusion. The default value is maybe a bit too weak. You can change that. It's going to be interesting with 80 people how it sounds. And there is one more thing. I added a listener and voice directionality. So if two people face each other and talk to each other, they hear each other the best. And if they face away from each other and talk, they hear the one talking the worst, I guess. So it will be interesting to see how it works with 80 people. You can tweak that as well. So yeah, that's it, I guess. I'm gonna drop the poll over here.
Not here again.
Yeah,
Not here
Cyan.
again.
No, I mean, thank you.
Incoming total chaos.
I'm sorry, San, I didn't mean you.
Anyway, voice changing with 80 people.
Yeah.
So I don't even know how to do avatars. I'm just an actor in the show.
Then again, it did seem to work quite well on the actual community meetup world, so maybe it's not too bad.
Oh, well, I mean, the difference is that it's everybody versus just one person kind of thing. But
I think we should just wait 5 seconds before you go in.
4, 3, 2, 1,
go!
I don't think you're my actor though, because your voice doesn't sound the same.
Are you talking about the Tempest in the Underpresents?
Yeah.
Very nice. Yes, there's about 11 of us. So yeah.
Yeah, I looked them up later because my husband and I we did it at the same time, but we went to different instances, and so we were kind of like looking up who our people were. But yeah, it may have been his. I don't know. Do you know? Okay, do you know Noah Nelson?
I do, of course. Yeah, he runs all the immersive stuff. Yeah, and yeah, I do. I know him personally.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's in labs. I guess I'm out of keywords.
Directionality thing for me. If you set it to 1, you hear everything the same. If you set it to 0, when you set player directionality to 0, if he's facing or if anyone is facing away from you, they should be half as loud. If you set listener directionality to 0 as well, and you turn around as well, you can't hear them anymore when you're right behind the opposite direction.
Yeah.
So,
Give it some time. Give it some time. We gotta load. Okay.
Yeah. It's very weak. You will only really notice if you set both to 1, to 0. I mean, sorry.
Okay. Oh, to
wait,
0.
no, 1. Wait, 1, 0. Wait, what did I do? What? I think it was 0.
Both to 0 and it doesn't do it.
I mean,
doesn't seem to be changing based on
yes.
on either one.
If you are the map world, so if you're the oldest person in the instance.
I'm not sure which one was which.
You have the.
I think 1 was
the master bug. So then, when there's a big network event, like someone joining the world, your audio will stutter.
At 1 or 0, it doesn't seem to change it.
I don't think I'm hearing any difference in any of these.
The master is the so it's a peer-to-peer network. It's the one that like owns everything unless it is explicitly given to someone else. So they typically have the highest load in a world. And
the game didn't
so you'll see like what happened with Aaron the other day.
Yeah, I'm not hearing any differences.
Really working.
You rejoin the world and make someone else master. And so
the game
at
doesn't
like
work.
social
It
events, you
broke.
tend to
It's
play
no longer working.
potato
Gain and everything doesn't do anything
until
anymore.
someone ends
Oh
up
no.
as master that's a mute.
Should we check the log?
There should,
But if you have someone who's like very talkative
there should
with
be
it,
no
then
exception
everyone's just like, keep
because
this
I
going.
installed all of them.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it's broken for me. It doesn't do anything anymore. It will probably fix itself as soon as someone
Okay, I'm gonna go
leaves
find.
or joins. I'm not sure
Everyone's
because
very
I'm
quiet
getting
now
the
because
entire
this is
playlist every time
audio
someone leaves or
testing.
joins.
So I'm gonna go play around with that a little bit. See where. Here we go.
Okay, yeah,
Here
it
we
just broke. Oh shit. I can fix it. We can try that again. But I don't know what broke. It's fixed.
Should we just like gather everybody or see if it actually works for other people?
I'm not sure if this is
If it's
changing.
not, it's so local, so it could be still working for some of them.
Okay.
I can't tell if it's changing or not. Everyone sounds the same to me.
He makes it global.
See something again?
Try increasing gain. If gain works, it does.
I want to only hear people
Increase gain. If you beat on louder, then still works. If not, then everything just works.
For whatever reason, Fiona sounds louder than everybody else.
I sound louder?
For me, at least.
player voice control.
It may be because the low pass filter, my voice is too high.
I saw when we were loading in all the
By the way, guys, is this world going to be available for
Be-
download?
No, you're right, Cyan, because Corey is louder to me too. I think it's just a pitch thing. So maybe if I talk really low.
No, you're just louder. It must have broke when I like.
Does that change my
I don't know
mind,
what caused it to break at this, but it's
Let's
like.
go Elvis.
whole theory on
I've
VR
never
is just,
tested if it
give
works
yourself a
if
little
the
room
player
for
leaves,
imperfection
because the
if
thing is,
not everything's always going to work.
using an empty array provided to the function, and it returns me the same array but filled with the values.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if it can handle that. So if I put in a longer array than
I don't
players
believe
have, maybe the function of you don't just.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It was.
That's an interesting idea.
Extremely last
Alright, I need to
minute, so it was
disable
just a texture
shaders before I go
change,
crash.
and
Let
just
my
moved
array
it.
grow, but it doesn't
That's basically all it was.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, what are you going to do, right?
Yeah. Oh, actually.
Oh, it seems like
yeah, the meetup I normally wear
maybe
my normal
people who
Fiona
join later, like,
outfit, but this is
yeah.
my- so my party dress,
I set
you
my
know,
settings
like a
locally
social
and
event,
everybody hears them,
is
or
the
I
same dress, but with
interpret
pink
the audio I'm
sparkles,
getting
and
in
of course,
different
like, I've
ways.
got, you know,
I
my
think
normal
that's
blonde
the second
hair,
one.
But for this, I'm like, okay, red
Okay, so
sparkles,
you
and we'll go
changed
goth
everyone
and
around.
be a bit
So if I want to see the best
So
effects
just like super last
Yeah,
minute, didn't have time to make a Halloween costume, so that works. And I actually like, I'm pretty happy.
I'm
And
pretty sure like
Science
it's broken for some.
It's really amazing.
So Fiona, I can still hear
So
Fiona.
for New Year's, I made
Yeah,
us some
same.
1920s outfits because we had like a 1920s venue for New Year's, and so he had kind of like a gangster outfit. So I took that one and I just gave him black hair and a widow's peak and some fangs and same color and thing, and then he was a vampire too, and it worked out really well. Nice. Where did you go?
None of them are doing anything.
It's so nice over here.
Nice. I'm going to turn off.
It sounds like audio is broken. Should we just go ahead and move on?
My sanity.
Yeah, it sounds like it's fried.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I check my log really quick, and if
Make Aaron drop his portal just so we can see if it's audio or not.
Okay, I can go talk to him.
I see everybody flying, but I cannot fly.
Hey,
They're wizards.
Aaron, can we do a quick test over there? Like, just drop your portal to see if the number's updated for everyone. Like before in the past, like we've had caching issues, and so like, just want to verify.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I wanted to show the pillow Fort World, but I switched
Oh.
it to that one. I wanted
Okay.
to show instead. I didn't realize. I thought I updated.
So wait, don't actually go through this. We're just testing it.
No. We're just testing.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, it does say 40. Okay, so we can respawn everybody, and then you can drop a portal at the beginning.
Okay. Appreciate your patience.
It's kind of sad that we might not be able to hear you, so we might just have to go in.
How come you can't hear me?
The audio settings for me are like dropped everybody's down, but I can't increase.
Yeah,
Cyan, you're coming in really distant
Believe in
from...
yourself, Cyan. Never give up.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me?
Respond.
I can hear you.
Yes.
party at the pub, so we made an appearance there, and then like
I've just
you know,
joined.
went out and partied with some other friends until
Yeah,
like
good
the
to
wee hours
see
of the
you.
morning. And so it's just
You're
been
doing well.
very, very
Good to see you, which is good.
face-killing weekend.
Flower, how are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it is.
Yeah, I've got
Anybody
the
who
same.
joined later, has normal audio settings. Everybody who joined before it broke will have really quiet audio. So like I hear you normal and I hear him quiet. But it's all local.
You hear me quiet too?
Okay.
No, you actually sound
so
really
should I
loud.
rejoin?
No, you're good though.
Oh, I hear you really quiet, Cyan.
No.
So
Okay.
please speak up.
You're no good for me.
Yeah.
So this is weird.
You want to drop the portal?
So if I leave
Hey,
and
Cyan,
rejoin, will
please
you be
speak
good?
up. I can't
I
hear
think
you.
it'd be the opposite. If I leave and rejoin, I'd be good.
Okay, well I'm gonna stay. I can hear you at least. So.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're about to leave
I see.
anyway, just because of the audio being odd.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, so Cyan, I can barely hear you, so please, here. Yeah, speak to me here.
Hello.
Oh, that was way better. It kind of sounded normal. Well, I already heard
Portal.
Portal.
Portal?
Hey, Scout.
Portal?
Yeah, let me get out of here.
There's no portal.
Yes, I am taking my time.
And the devouring. So I'm glad that that one eventually got out because it's just so silly, and I love
Okay.
it. Okay.
Is the world speaking volumes weird in this world, or is it just me?
Yes.
Yes.
No, it's everyone.
The
It's
entire
everyone.
point
good.
of this
Just
world
try
was audio check messing with, and it broke.
Okay.
The editing changes anything.
Yeah, it didn't work. Like, it didn't...
Ledger World.
Wow. This is horrible looking. Like,
What?
oh my god.
Wow.
Wait, are you
No,
saying
the-
the manga?
The art, the scary faces.
Yeah,
One Piece
that's
has the best art style in any manga ever.
I think it's just these chapters characters, isn't it?
That one character. The rest of it is not as horrible.
Yeah.
Good lord, the
Okay.
S.
Yeah, I'm just like I see this one and I'm just like, oh my god, it's like, oh, I just moved it. Are they synced or are they local? I'm not taking.
I'm assuming they're local.
I think
they're local.
They're local.
I'm just gonna point out. I think doesn't Lakuza watch or read One Piece?
And then there's Space Norn just loaded in.
And yes,
this
so
is
do
One
I.
Piece, huh? I've heard about this.
No, I was more
I've
saying that
never-
if you don't just insult it in
um,
front of you.
Oh my god, this is.
I'm so.
Oh, not the
I'm
world.
almost
the
current. I haven't read all of the most recent chapters.
This character in particular, I'm like, oh my gosh, is this what it is?
Yeah, that's the Oda. So Oda does weird stuff because they can get away with it because they've been drawing up comics.
Yeah, I remember you saying it last time of just having copyrighted audio, but it's kind of like it's Mario. People play streams of Mario all the time, so it's like I really doubt I'm gonna get caught for that. So I just turned it up anyway.
Kind of aesthetic from JoJo's, but it's a true shonen. So
Hi, Fran. How are you? Good to see you.
ages when JoJo was saying
Sorry, I'll take your avatar's loaded now.
Reminds me of
Yeah, it's so good to see you.
oh dear.
Especially, this looks like
I don't see a way to go back.
Oh, my
It's just
cat's
only
on my lap.
forward.
How are you?
Your cat is
this
on
is
your
the
lap and you
biggest,
are a
biggest and most selling
Yes,
comic
yeah,
book
I'm really-
series.
It's true.
If memory serves, ever
Good.
made.
Actually, I
You
want to
just got
introduce
here.
you to yeah,
I
just
think if you count
arrived.
Batman, Superman, and I think
introduce you to a
Spider-Man
friend of
in
mine.
terms of
We played
overall
Para
well,
together.
this is one continuous series.
Oh, yes,
And Spider-Man's
yes,
been about
yes, thanks for
7 days
coming.
less than Spider-Man.
Oh, I was actually questioning: is this a part of the world, or was this actually a person? Oh, you're looking at me! Oh no!
Get back to the poop deck. We gotta get us up and nifty.
I don't understand why one likes
Oh, you're the cutest cat I ever had.
I don't think it's here.
It's done. Maybe we should go over to your friend. Where's your friend? Like, I'm supposed to know.
Yeah, so you can read it.
Cyan, what are your thoughts on this world?
I suppose first impression is that it doesn't seem like the right place for reading, but I guess it fits the genre because, you know, you're trying to like immerse yourself. So it's like, yeah, why not? Oh, wait, there's even more over there. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, there's like an entire another series. It's crazy.
So I must have keywords
Yes.
problem because of all the foliage is now solid for me.
Yeah,
It
I
was
probably
in
need
the
to
last world,
restart.
too.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try restarting and see, because it's like, if keywords are broken, I probably don't see the proper things, at least for like plants.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, and if there's post-processing, we won't be seeing that either, will we?
It depends on if we had a world that had it already.
Got it, okay.
Aaron doesn't tend to add post-processing to his world.
Okay.
I know some people who will complain about that, but you know, it's fine.
Well, actually, okay, so I don't know if you knew this, because when it has been brought up to me by Orels, you haven't been there, I think, which is when you see an avatar with cracks, it's because there's no post-processing.
What have you been
Huh. I have not heard of that. Interesting.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it is. And so the reason why I knew that I'd broken post-processing in the Devouring and Chill was Rubik was in there and I saw cracks. And I'm like, oh shit, the reason why it looks bad in here is because there's no post-processing. And so I probably wouldn't have realized it if it wasn't for that.
I don't understand why post-processing would like show cracks. That's weird. I'll have to ask him about that.
It hides cracks.
Sorry, I said it backwards.
Like, what do you mean by
Yes.
I don't know why post-processing would
But-
hide cracks, or really, why would cracks only show up without
Ask
post-processing?
Orels.
Yeah, I know.
He knows why, but I don't. Maybe it's the anti-aliasing or something like that. Who knows? But
Yeah, it could be.
yeah, if there's no certain lighting and no post-processing shows cracks.
For the randomness?
So, it's sort of interesting because whenever I see that now, if you figure out a way that you can explain that to me,
When someone pushes
that
the box,
I'm very interested in knowing exactly what's happening there on like a rendering level, because when I see that in other Unity stuff, like, is there a fix or do you have to have post-processing, or is there something you can do on a shader level to fix it?
I mean, if that's the case, because like I would need to look into that for Quest, because it's like, how do you handle that?
Yes. Yes, exactly.
Do you see Fax now? Apparently he got like kicked out 13 minutes ago, and I'm not sure if he ever made it back in. Yeah, he's right there. Never mind.
Timestamp is synced. It's only generated by the person.
All right, we need to do some. Hey, Cyan, can you say use optimize avatars? Because we have a bunch in here right now. Hey, Sophia. At this event, the rule is please have a medium or better avatar just to save everyone's performance. If you don't have one, you can look in the public row to use one of those, at least for the
Yep.
duration.
Do you see it?
Who just went by?
You have everyone run like the generation algorithm.
Message in the bottom of my screen where she used optimized.
By the way, that is me. No, that is just like, everybody. The message is on everybody, by the way.
Trying to get into more content.
I do have that because it is 2D.
Nice. Yeah. I'm sort of like keying into what my next project's gonna be, and I want to do something like Mega Man related, but I'm not sure exactly how to pull it off.
The reason why she's 4 is I'm debating. I think I'm gonna do 4.
There's nothing down here. Hmm?
Oh, an unoptimized avatar. Hey, you should use an optimized avatar in this event.
I say we
Yes,
kill
and this person doesn't seem to respond to me saying they should use an optimized avatar.
I guess we all need to bug. But I haven't perked
toss them off the ship and make them walk the plank.
If only we had an easy way of doing that, but they also look like they're lagging a lot. Yeah. Oh, they disappeared.
Yeah, they went up there.
Ah.
Hell yeah.
Just combining your material. Don't want it.
Oops, I accidentally talked to the kid.
Whoops.
Were you next on the map?
I can check.
I think we have 7 maps, if I'm...
It was 7 total.
7 total, yeah.
Oh, I was just given a book.
5, I think.
A synchronized object.
Wait, yeah, that is synchronized. I didn't think about that. What?
Cyan, the trees
Yeah?
are that way on purpose. It's not a keyboard issue.
Okay. So we have, I guess, 2 left. And I guess Joro before Coffee Pot.
I was right.
Yeah, Fiona, this is a synchronized object.
You're last.
Wait, I can't read it? I can only look at it?
You ready to carry that burden? You pumped you.
What do you mean it's a synchronized object?
Nothing else is synced in here.
Like oh, just that one.
Synchronized.
Got it.
Yeah.
I have the power. No.
It's number 37.
It's the best one.
I was gonna say, isn't it like a really long series, way more than 37?
Put it there. Let me just.
Oh yeah, there's like
almost
like
a
the anime has over 1,000 episodes.
Yeah,
that's like from like the anime has over 1,000 episodes.
991. Please let us die.
Wait, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah. 991 episodes of the same comic book. The same continuity. Completely unbroken by the same author since the early 1990s. It's a bit insane.
Well, yeah, he does have a fixed version playing on a TV here. From when you want to insert.
No, why would you do that?
Why would you do that to people? Because I ordered it from Amazon, the first 3 episodes on DVD.
Somebody who isn't listening to performance settings, I think. They were up there. I don't know where they're at.
The fucking Zolo bullshit. I can't imagine.
Oh, they're right behind us.
Fiona, that's the guy that didn't listen when I said anything, and there were other people too. Yeah, this person.
I know what you mean. They have to keep it consistent with Zolo. They also called Enter Kami
I'm
instead
not
of
responding.
Oh, for fuck's
I don't
sake.
hear them.
No, but they look this way for a second.
They're dead now.
I mean, it's obvious the character's named after fucking Zoro as in the fucking piece of the
honestly.
motherfucker.
Yeah, could have been.
I kind of liked it Zolo, but then I realized like I don't even think of Zoro. I only think of Zoro from One Piece when I hear Zoro.
Wait, what? Not like classic Zoro?
Yeah. Mr. Motherfucking Nora.
I've got to get back into watching it because I remember I started watching like I got up.
Did you get to?
I think it was the arc where they were in the desert with massive ass creatures trying to get the woman back to the place.
That would be.
recently released it, and it's really cool because it uses a custom Guilty Gear shader for the front page.
Hey, George, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I haven't seen any like good Guilty Gear shaders yet.
Oh,
Okay.
Joro, by the way, you are next.
George.
Yeah, there's not that many.
Do you want to say
yet,
anything
but
before
I'm
seeing
gonna
your world?
I want to add the whole cast eventually. It's just a lot of work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, you wanna.
What time are we on? Yeah, it
Thank
doesn't
you.
seem
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the shader.
Yeah, the shader looks great.
I need to work like
so yeah, we can respawn.
Oh,
Wait, you're using that for the time?
And
What?
I also want to add an announcement.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want to announce?
CyanLaser. At the end, I just want to do a small announcement too when I'm done showing my world.
Okay. By the way, do you see Faxar right here?
Yeah, it's a little cube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think he was asking you a question originally, and it sounded like you didn't hear him.
Oh, he's just really quiet. I'm sorry. What was that?
That could be. I'm not sure if it's better, but I was asking the same as Cyan, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to go ahead and put the respawn then? Or I can put the respawn?
You can.
Lord, can we go?
Fine.
Cyan Walkwell really is lagging so much that they can't even hear a thing.
Wait, are they still here?
So, someone is saying that bad cars is broken. I suspect it's just full body, but they're saying only master can get in cars. I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on there.
We'll have to look into that.
I'm assuming that had to do with the station shenanigans, and I bet it's full body, but they think it's that only master can get in. So, if there's anything we can do about it, because it's a prefab that's been working forever until they started breaking stations. So.
Yep. Okay. Where is Joro? Why am I having trouble just like... Oh, sorry. I'm like completely blind looking above you. There we go.
No, it's fine.
Oh, that's uncomfortable.
That was interesting.
Sorry. Okay. Everyone quiet down. Listen to Joro here, please.
So this next world I built, this is a dance studio world. The focus of the world is for A, dancing, B, physical activity, pretty much anything that you want a bright open space to practice in. Just keep in mind some of the things in the world are disabled right now. There's a global music player. I had to turn it off because, you know, everyone can adjust it. You can lock the studio if you wanted to. I had to turn that off. And there's a join noise that I made local, so you only hear when you first join. It's kind of small, but you know, I think we could do it.
I'm worried.
We've done
There's no hit in the RP section.
I think we can do it.
Oh, yeah, we should definitely wait before going into the portal.
I would hope there was a portal.
Oh.
You tried portal?
Wait a little bit, but yes. Okay, yeah, go ahead then.
Alright, let's jump in.
It's really worth it if you're not willing to put in the time. It's a fantastic read, but it's also a long one.
Come on.
That's a different outfit.
Let's get in.
Yeah.
What the?
They're having trouble.
Frames.
Frames and frames. Well, Rockwell, you gonna go in?
Oh, I forgot to ask if it was copyrighted music. Said it was a dance world. Oh no! Oh no! Merit spawn. How do you turn it off?
Quality. I don't think you can turn it off, but you can make it.
Cool dropping. Look at it.
I just
It
showed
says it, bro.
yourself.
Look at it. I love it.
Turn that off.
You see less than half. I've got a mirror. I don't need anything
Is
else.
there a way to turn the mirror
Right here.
Turn that off.
Oh, nearest local.
Okay, can I disable it?
Mirror completely. Which one do you want to go? Dance studio or that one up there?
I think it's a on by default.
Should we go that one up there?
Because it's easy to forget. It's really easy to forget, particularly if you're new to map making.
Download, what is it, One's World Tools? I think he has a check for that.
Yeah, he does. Should just be default and low quality.
It should be a render camera. It should be just a camera, render camera. All mirrors should be render cameras. You know.
Yeah. Hey, Cyan.
Yes?
Who needs that?
I don't know who's saying that because everybody's loading. Oh, there you are.
Oh. Not hear me?
No, I can hear you. I just don't see avatars yet because everybody's loading.
All right. So you know Hankiniv?
No.
Okay.
What is
the guy
that?
who made the procedural maze world? The little dragon guy.
Okay, yeah.
The one where there was a magic button.
Mhm.
I wanted to know if you think it would be a good idea to invite him to prefabs because he can make procedurally generative mazes, and he's working alongside Vogan.
Was Vogan the one? Yeah, I guess I can contact Vogan or so because I know he has him on Discord.
Yeah, and he is still very new to VRChat, and he isn't in like any Discords or Udon yet. So I wanted to know your thoughts before I just invited him.
Prefabs you have to like submit to the database in order to get invite privileges.
Ah, okay.
Mhm. That's one of like the rules and why it kind of hasn't like exploded in popularity.
No, don't.
Why isn't it exploding in popularity, by the way?
Because the small limitation on giving out invites is just kind of one of those things of like we don't want everybody to be in there. It's more towards like medium as well as advanced creators, I guess. And it's also like, you know, hopefully to contribute towards the goal of like helping the community.
Alright, so like teachers only?
What's that advanced teacher? Or wait, what was that?
Am I a medium or an advanced creator? I don't know.
You're novice. Novice.
I mean, who else could make Elevator?
Here's a question: Can you do lighting? That's the question. If you can do lighting, then you're meteor.
Should we have
It's the hardest thing for mapping for me.
I'll have you know, I had to invent the special lighting system for Elevator VR.
Yeah, that's what I do. I like a hear on Discord. That's what I'm saying. I literally have to use the same project and then just duplicate it when I do the lighting.
I just open Blender and start screaming.
As you dance.
Is that so like the Million Monkeys theorem? Whoa. No, you just start screaming and eventually something happens. I don't know what, but something. Something happens, usually Blender crashes.
Blender's far more superior than doing it straight in Unity.
Of course.
What are you talking about? I just import 400 cubes, and that's how I make everything.
Something pro builder gang.
True persistence is getting a working 3D model.
Hey, Sam, now I got the real coding question. Do you ever have that moment where you open up the code, stare at it for 1 hour before you actually write any code?
Wait, the code stack?
No, you stare at the code for 1 hour before you even write any new code.
I've had it in the past, but it's just like, it's one of those things where it's like, if I'm doing that, I need to go to sleep, or I need to, you know, think about what I'm doing.
Apparently, that cannot handle two different booleans
It happens.
at the same time.
It's actually horrible whenever it happens because you're just like,
That's a high power.
oh, I've been staring at this code for 1 hour and nothing has changed.
Sadly, that's like one of my current projects that I have not really announced is in that state of like, I need to redo a lot of things, so I'll just stare at it.
Yeah, how's the sphere coming along anyways? That's still the top meme of VRChat.
Why?
No?
The sphere.
I
The
mean,
one where you can go upside down.
I haven't updated it because of like there was a bug at this point, so it's like it's kind of like not really known.
Your best dance.
I know.
Noticed a bug got introduced, and many people didn't bother because of that.
What do you mean spinny dance?
What's that? Because of the stations or something. They got
Yeah. So like, I guess there's an issue with right now, like, so in the last update, if you have a station, like full body users can't even access stations at all because apparently it crashes them, so they just disabled it. So like that's obviously gonna break my world. But I mean, there was another bug where it's just like, if you joined late, you don't see people in stations, and it's like, cool, the illusion's broken.
It's dead. Yeah, they're
Time to dance.
Yes, it was a full body thing.
Imagine rolling back.
Stuff with VRChat right now.
Our red avatar.
That's why I'm not mapping as much. Like when I map, yeah, I do like simple ones. I mean, the one that you saw a couple of months back, that's pretty much the best one I've done so far. And even that one breaks occasionally. Because when you're the instance, sometimes it don't, like before it never synced with people. So we've not had it as like always. When the joiners join, sometimes the lift wouldn't go up, even though it was up for everyone else. So it's like there would be enough.
So it's like that just sounds like sync in general is difficult to learn.
You poor boy. I especially That's an understatement.
Yeah.
Mitigation of late joiners and leavers is the hardest thing in VRChat.
Wait, isn't it just like difficult in general, even outside of VRChat?
It's especially bad in VRChat.
You have to use the VRChat SDK for the syncing.
Well, I mean, they have things that allow you to sync properly. It's just you have to learn how to do it.
So,
coming from a network engineer.
The Danley push, server engineer, not network engineer. What Danley's doing for yes, what Danley's doing for the networking update is going to be the ability to push presentations to people. So what it will be is that you'll have manually synced arrays or strings or for data, which only get updated when the master when the owner of the object goes update it. But critically, if somebody joins the world, they get given that data. Presentation layer.
That's definitely something that I have been needing for one of my projects. Oh, lag! Why can't it work that way?
You can imagine, right? So. You have a puzzle. So you can imagine puzzle world. You've got a whole bunch of puzzles and different states this puzzle can be in. You push it to some presentation, right? Oh, here's the state of the puzzle. When everyone receives that, they know what their state is, and as soon as someone joins the world, they're in exactly the same state because they catch up to the same place automatically via one data push. That's why presentations are the way to solve this stuff. It's a really good pattern. So we're not going to get it before Christmas.
Did he say that? Well, I guess it's true. We only have like maybe a month worth of actual weeks.
There's one developer. There's one developer working on this. One.
And what's funny is the people who have been working on it, they feel like I have been repeating the same
it's Danley. So Danley has to do all the fixing for this stuff and work on that.
I don't remember saying
yeah, we're probably not going to see that anytime soon. Wait a minute.
This is why my Space Station 13 app is next year's project, not this year's project. I'm not bothering starting on it until we've got a stable new networking in.
This is why you don't announce the release date of your project.
She will be me.
This is true.
Yeah.
You don't literally talk 3 years before it even became publicly available.
I'm gonna announce the release date for my inventory system now. Are you ready?
Delayed.
When it's ready.
Still delayed.
Yeah. Welcome to. Wow, you should go with the Star Citizen. All right. I've been pulled to a
Star
meeting,
Citizen.
yeah, so I'll be back in a minute.
No, I won't say anything.
So I have some context, but I haven't seen it put together
This
in the
is
whole
really
thing.
weird.
But,
If you try,
we did the
if you move yourself
together,
closer to the floor, your feet disappear
like
before they touch the
we did
floor.
this one line, and we did a couple takes,
What?
and then we did this other line. So it wasn't like we were actually interacting. That
Oh, this is a parallax.
that's all in editing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, when you look down, it has a little bit of depth, but the actual object is a little higher because that's how parallax works.
So I think that
So we're looking into a depth texture.
This looks like it's not connected properly to the floor.
Yeah.
It's not connected properly.
And I think it is ready to go now, but they're still doing a little bit of
It's the mesh as well.
People got stuck here, and so.
Oh wait, where's Joro? Didn't they wanted to say something before?
But it wasn't multiplayer working.
Yeah. Oh, just one more thing. If anyone does any dance things or has a dancer poster or does a physical annual activity, you could just PM me a poster and I'll put it on the wall, no problem.
You probably should. Wait, once Fax finishes his thing, you should probably say it back to everybody because they're more over there and probably didn't hear you.
Oh, I thought you just asked me to say it. Sorry.
Oh no, I was just saying, didn't you want to? So it's like we need to coordinate before the next one. Who I guess is
Make it not look like it's further down than it is.
What do you mean?
So right now the shader you're using has a parallax effect. So it's that's not actually an issue. It's
So
just
this radiator over here doesn't look connected to the floor.
Wait, quiet.
What's your idea on that?
Hold on, quiet. You're listening to Coffee Pot or no Joro first?
Oh, I just
if you want to say your announcement.
Yeah, I just wanted to say really quick, if you guys do any sort of physical activity, like an annual thing, like the squats thing, or if you have a dancer poster, you PM it to me and I'll put it on the map, no problem.
So
That's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Coffee is the next one. Coffee is the next one.
Yeah. So, the world that I'm going to be showing is called the Anomaly Lodge. It's a large hotel world that I've been working on for about a month or so now. It's mainly something that I host my own events from. So it's like was already by default like 40 people. So I should have no problem.
It's Lacusta's daughter.
Yeah, I wear my.
Everyone should like back away to get some space.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe do it at the other end of the hall.
Oh wow.
I brought.
Is it friends plus or invite plus?
Either, as long as they're plus.
The shader does some weird stuff on the floor, so it looks like stuff is not touching the floor properly. Like the radiator's not like it's touching the floor. Like you can see the radiator, it looks like it's not touching the floor because it's
Excited about going through this portal.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Oh,
Like the
hey.
shadows.
This is where you were yesterday.
Yeah, like if I move my if I move my feet down, it looks like they disappear before they touch the floor too.
This is how parallax works.
Oh yeah. Isn't that a height map thing?
Height map.
No,
This
or
or like
parallax
there's like
thing.
it's I don't know the name of it in Unity, but there's like multiple like names in the grid like. But yeah.
Yeah. Height map, parallax, whatever.
I think height map
I'll
typically
look
means
into it. Thank
expand
you, though.
out. Parallax means
Yeah.
goes in. I might be completely wrong on
Oh.
that.
It look yeah. I don't know. I don't know the terms.
It's been years since I had to study that.
Well, I never studied them.
But yeah, next
Game
roll.
development. Never studied game development.
I mean, I didn't study game develop. I just studied graphics pipelines.
Oh, I didn't.
Did I crash? Slowly loading. There we go.
Processing. Oh, sweet.
That was a
Yeah,
long
that took
load
me
there.
a good long time to load in, and I had like no frames for a while.
I hope Danley's update comes out soon, but it probably won't.
With Stanley's, it fixed.
He basically what was the word? Took down the loading hitch by like an incredible amount or something like that.
Good luck.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, that update.
Awesome. Yeah, that I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it in here or not. These vines look pretty neat. I do like it.
Oh, I thought this was a mirror at first. I didn't realize it was another room.
I did too. I thought it was a mirror.
Pretty neat.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll let you know if it has the updated anything. Doesn't look like it.
I don't know where they're at. We need a tour.
I think they rejoined or they crashed.
Oh.
I'm still loading people. Cyan hasn't loaded for me yet. Aaron hasn't loaded for me yet.
Fake T-pose?
Actually, I had to quit VRChat and come back in because it hung.
Oh, I think that was just this
so
world.
I thought it was hung too, but it
Just took a really long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they just loaded it now. Or name.
Yeah, see, I got 30 frames now. I don't know why this world took so long to load. Is it just huge?
I mean, it could be. By the way, Rubik, the number of people in the instance is just kind of lower. I think we've dropped down to like 50s.
Everyone loaded like super slow.
Yeah, I don't know what. That was odd.
Oh
I
shit!
got-
my
Did you add a video player recently?
The lodge has always loaded really slow for me. And I don't think I'm the only one.
Really?
I think
I pretty much always loaded instantly.
Probably did
everything
Alright, Poppy, do you wanna give us a tour?
It's 50 megabytes, so this shouldn't be. Thank you.
You want to give a tour?
50 megabytes should not be
yeah,
that much to load.
So, this hotel has been like something I've been slowly like adding to, like pretty much every like week.
Small child.
When I was able to work on stuff. I recently had to move to a new house, so like I haven't really had much time to work on it lately. But now that I'm like back and set up, I can give you my full diapers, dude. And adding a lot more ways to the hotel.
Why not, dude? You don't want my diapers, dude?
Would the amount of game objects have an impact on
Yes.
This is mainly used by me to host events. I hosted a Halloween party here last night.
Nice.
And there's many different spots for little like meetups. This is a bit of a still work in progress drinking lounge.
Yeah, can I give some advice? Because I don't know if you noticed, but like people was crashing for a solid 2 minutes. Maybe use some stage loading, so it loads in stage instead of all at once.
Yeah, I definitely need to do a lot more.
Are there a lot of long audio files, maybe?
No, people
the
are
only
dropping
audio
flies.
file is the background music. There's no audio files aside from that.
Yeah, I don't know what would cause that. But yeah, okay, all right, keep going.
Yeah, no, this is not my primary, but like my primary has a dynamic lighting.
Mainly. This is just like mainly like drinking games. This isn't really like the main part for the event. The large. Like we have a bunch of different, like meetup spots. You can like talk with people, but like at a completely opposite end of the map with like no real like issue of like overlap in like voices too much. So that way, like if people are loud and all in one group, you can still like kind of move your group to like another like corner.
Good idea.
Nice.
It's very big.
It's might be a little too big. I might have to work on maybe like a menu for like teleporting to specific parts of the hotel.
Now, like something I noticed, Coffeepot, is you load in the second floor as well, even though you are not on the second floor. This due to the windows over there.
Is there occlusion baked in?
There's occlusion pulling.
Okay. By the way, second floor. None of the rooms seem to open. Is that on purpose?
That is currently, there were hotel rooms, but they were an outdated design. I'm currently working on completely reconstructing them. Like,
oh, okay. So they're just not there.
So they're not there at the moment.
I thought the doors were bugged or something.
In other words, the ERP rooms, they have to check beforehand.
No. No, I'm turning them into like
I would definitely have them in mind.
If you like something ambitious, if you like something ambitious, you can use like the keycard system Burcon implemented. You could try replicate that if you want something ambitious, but
there is a phrase in game development and development in general, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. You can't implement a keycard system, but why do that when you could just have locks?
Yeah, that's true.
I'm going to be, my main idea for the redesign for the hotel rooms is going to take heavy inspiration from the Gmod Tower suites.
Oh, fuck yeah. I love Gmod Tower.
Don't mean Tower United instead, because they've got a new game called Tower United.
Well, yeah. Well, it's the lobby one suite, is what I'm like gonna...
Oh, okay.
Like the reference to the layout. So it's gonna have like an upper floor, like, overlook, similar to that.
I don't know if you guys see that, but someone's playing like a toxic animation on one of their monitors.
I have them blocked likely.
Yeah, I don't see it.
I have custom animations disabled.
Oh, okay, just like letting you guys know.
Okay. Do we know who?
I like the picture.
I don't know.
Normally,
It's
I'm
not.
a big fan
It's
of
not
like
someone around here. It's like.
Ruby, do you see
pictures in the world, but I like how much personality pictures in this world have.
Doesn't look like anyone else has come up.
Right, say that again?
Isn't this the final world? It doesn't look like anyone else has come up to you knowing.
So this is the final world. Garibo said they might want to try again, so, but I think that, well, I mean, we definitely have time.
Okay, well, I wanted to do some more touring of this, like second floor and all that, so I think I'll just go look around.
Yeah.
I think the coffee's...
It has all the off avatars, because I want to be friends with them.
Oh, over here.
Aww.
I'm shading off because of so much shit.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to hang out with you guys more so I can finally meet her.
Yeah, Callie's an amazing model.
Callie's
creator. They made the Helltaker Lucifer model. That's currently on Sketchfab.
Oh,
and they made my model that I'm currently using right now.
Neat.
So, very, very talented 3D artist.
Very much indeed.
To the secret room.
So,
wait, which one is?
This flower bed used to not have a fence, and it used to not be as deep. But for the speedrun Halloween update that I did yesterday, I turned it into a pit. Again, the word speedrun. The word speedrun. With the Halloween event update is a very important word because. Yeah, it's just a PBK. You have to respawn to get out. I just.
Oh, secret room.
I love this little place.
That was just
secret
question. Are you a radish or a turnip?
Yeah, but I
second one, you're a turnip.
I realized there were like still like bits of wall sticking out, so I was able to just move the floor down and just made a box.
Fiona, look at the turnip.
It is very cute.
You tell people they need to respawn and they're determined to try and jump out.
Yeah. Well, I think you can stick to the wall.
If you jump in the corner, you can easily get out. It kind of launches you at the end.
I plan on porting this world to Udon, and as a like learning thing to start learning Udon, and I want to start like adding like entirely like new wings and like functionality to the world. Like I'm gonna finally be able to like put in some time and start like actually like making the world have a lot more stuff to do in it. I have a lot of ideas and plans as to how I could see those ideas to fruition. One of my ideas is like an actual like somewhat working cooking system for like the kitchen, so you're like able to like have ingredients like snap to each other. So like you could like make a burger or like a pizza by like putting ingredient on top of another, and then it becomes like more like one physics object. And then you can like put it on like a cooking surface to have it like change the color from like like the material from like a raw to like a cooked state.
Looking at what people have done with Udon, that seems very possible.
Yeah.
It's definitely the realm of possibilities. You just gotta test it for yourself.
This might be a bit of a niche example. It was some game that was like huge like YouTuber bait back like years ago, and it never actually came out. It was like a Unity game called Citizen Burger Disorder, but it kind of has like the same idea of what I am kind of like thinking of for like the cooking system, where it's just you put patty on bun or patty on grill, and it makes the patty like cooked brown and then black if burnt, like simple stuff like that.
What the fuck?
And I would like to be able to. My main goal for that though is not so much as like my world or like this world, but I want to actually like get like an actual like proper like cooking system like prefab that I can like give out. Because I want to because I make a lot of the fast food worlds like Taco Bell and the 7-Eleven and the Starbucks, and I would like to see more interactability and functionality and actually like the role-playing working at the restaurant. So being able to actually like make the food in order to serve it would be very interesting. I would love to see other worlds be able to also do that. So if I can make a prefab for other fast food worlds to make it a lot simpler to implement, like a cooking system, that would be really cool.
I still want a cat to save the drink in the bar for me.
Sorry, what was that?
I want a cat to serve me a drink in the bar.
Hi.
Oh.
Wanna go serve him a drink?
Yeah, might as well.
Also, coffee. Yes, I love the color in this world. I love, you know, I speak from no bias when I say this. But I'm absolutely
fan of the color purple.
Yeah, I speak from no bias when I say this, of course, you know me. But I gotta say it's a really good use of purple.
I'm listening to Etopi's
You know,
shit.
it's very eye-catchy, it's very soothing. How many purple marbles
Hey, can we rotate this guy who's filling up my cache with lots of marbles?
Oh no.
It's really good.
What? Why would you want to leave?
I just gotta say, the combination of purple and the soothing brown, you know, it's very pleasing. It's very
And sometimes it's like, you know, people do their own things and stuff. It's still pretty good.
I'm assuming those are mirrors.
Okay, we got a hallway. Oh, you're also coming upstairs. Yeah, so apparently none of the doors work, but it's kind of... Oh, look. That's neat. Whoa, look at that! I didn't know that there was something on top of that.
I know. I can't tell if it's 2D or an
In
avatar.
the world, or is that... it looks like this in the world and not an
Yeah.
avatar, but could be an avatar.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually there's trash in there.
Trash?
In the trash can?
Oh, trash in the trash can? There is trash in the trash can. Those are mirrors, okay.
So many mirrors. No, there's no down.
This is like...
already keep up with too much stuff.
This is when I was
the
learning
event
to
for this
actually
world,
model
is it
organically.
open or is it like a private thing?
Well, keep looking at it, please.
I mean, I have looked at it. Like, I've conquered most of the issues.
We can output, but we just can't input.
So, how do I? So I tried where you can have like the data stored in your avatar. But that didn't work because I couldn't access that.
Can you-
layering of the avatar.
Can you output the Google Docs, have that really
Like my spirit bomb. Yo, you want my pink shader spirit bomb, dude? Yes.
Yeah, you look like you're about to roll it.
You're up to Genki Dama, dude.
Hi, you're using a shit for a reason.
Yeah. Like, we should probably get a picture. Oh.
Oh no.
Hello. We ruined his chair.
Oh yeah, I don't think really that shit.
Did you know you were being used as a chair?
Hey, go AFK again, please.
No.
The longer I spend
No
in
AFK
this game,
first.
the more
Too much.
I'm starting to like see everything in triangles, and when I take the headset off, like I'm not making this up. Earlier, I was in front of a mirror and I sat there and I was like, wait, I'm getting good frame. No, right, right.
In real life.
Hey, Dinky.
Ooh, wait, this model is like a prime example of having fun with Visine.
What the hell is called?
It's like really simple.
Okay, there are a lot of rooms in this world.
I don't even know how it works.
what I might do is I might give you like a model.
Oh, you got a drink?
Oh my god, they have this puddle.
Oh, I do have dye.
Is that one of your friends?
Funny, look, he's an Ewok.
Oh no.
Yes, that one. It's fine. I think the event's over, so I guess it doesn't matter anymore.
Is that it? Is that it?
Hmm?
That was a really good event. I really enjoyed that, Sam.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I guess you were the one I'm talking, but my mic was muted. Oops. Thank you for joining.
It's okay.
Because yeah, I remember you were asking that in the beginning, weren't you?
Attended.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, loved it.
Yeah, we do this every week.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, I subscribed to your channel, so I watched it. I've been watching it on YouTube.
Okay, thanks.
And so yeah, it was great to attend it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely be back.
Definitely, and see if we can create some content for it as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, we're being respawned.
Okay.
But yeah, if you have worlds you want to show, go ahead. Like, we could show them next week.
I need a chair.
So wait, Max, are we moving to Garibos again, or? Oh no, I'm just telling them like they can show next week.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. If people wanna go check out Garibus World again, they can. If not, the meetup's over.
Okay. Oh, there he is.
So I just throw the portal, or?
Yeah, find a spot probably. There's a spawn.
Wow, there's an outside.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's overlapping.
I made a small change to my work because I think I used
so
to
the
play
meetup is
resistance
technically
after
over,
the player left.
but Garibo asked if he could drop the portal again to see if we could figure out what's happening with the world, or at least test it. So those that want to go and help, they can do that. If not, the meetup is over. So thank you for
Up to you.
this week.
If like test it with gain, like increase the gain. If you hear like others getting louder, then it works. If not, you're free to go.
Okay.
Thank you very much for joining.
It's hilarious. I love it. This is my new favorite avatar. This is
What?
I'm gonna go to the thing.
Restart. Max, turn them off. I mean, just change it to just quit. Okay, portal.
Oh, we're going back.
And this is for those that didn't hear. This is pretty much like the end of the meetup. If you want to join this test, you can.
Oh, it's just more of the player voice then.
He like wanted to check if he fixed it, and so like that's just really what we're going back to. But like,
I'm gonna have to go.
all right, I'll just go ahead and see if it fixed. There we go. It was already in labs. I think I commented on that last time.
Player voice control.
I changed that because it was confusing. So thinking, I'm staring at you and speaking. Now I'm gonna look away.
Oh, gain seems to be working.
Speaking. I don't know if that changes.
I don't
thing,
think
like you can
directionality
control
is
like
changing.
audio, but if you have a custom track and stuff, you can use
Oh yeah,
them.
it does kind of like fade in and out. That's pretty cool.
It does. That's pretty cool.
I would have picked it.
What is volumetric radius? Oh, no.
So assume that volumetric radius is like your 2D within that radius.
I don't want to touch any of
that's
it.
awful.
I'm afraid.
I mean, for players, I don't think you would want that, but like for other audio sources.
What, low pass?
And yeah.
Oh no,
what
volumetric
also
radius.
should be working now. If someone is
Oh, yeah.
talking and walking behind that wall, they should like, depending on what your setting is, sound different.
Was it? Which one was that?
It works very
Occlusion?
nice with music when you hear it.
No, we could control that.
Okay.
So the directionality is when you face them, because I noticed that like it just has something
Yeah.
different when I turn
Yeah.
around.
Oh shit.
Okay, so
if I talk,
directionality?
let's say you have both at 1. Let's say you have both
Mhm.
at 1, and if I talk to you, and I turn around, you should me at like half the volume. If you turn around as well, you shouldn't hear me at all. Like that's the max, kind of. So if I talk and I
Oh,
turn
yeah.
around, you shouldn't be hearing me, kind of.
Oh man, you know, we need to have that for parties so people can be like, let's turn off the people I'm not looking at.
Oh yeah, one more thing.
Good question.
Oh, I should turn off the directionality so I can
There
listen.
is a. Yeah, so oh, right.
It's really
Oh,
cool
yeah.
that it's dependent on both
it's
players' head
updating one player
positions with the
in one
voice.
frame.
So if I
So
speak
we
to
have
you
80
like this,
players,
Cyan,
it
and you
takes
look at
80
me,
updates
and I
for
suddenly
every
turn
player
my head,
to
you
have
will
the new
hear me
settings.
less.
Oh.
So if someone moves past you, he has like it takes like 80 updates until you hear like the change of him moving past you. Like if there's like a wall between you, and occlusion only takes effect if he's like behind the wall
okay.
when he gets the update. So for performance reason, I did it that way. I don't want to update all of them at the same time.
Wait, what is default gain? Because it's like the default settings seem pretty low.
I think it's 10.
Oh, okay.
It's 10. 0 was way too quiet earlier.
No, I meant like
So I changed
VR
it.
chat's gain.
I think it's avatar audio.
Yeah, maybe 10 or 20. I'm not sure.
I looked at the API. It's kind of annoying that they don't give you a get. It is only set.
Maybe 20 or like
Yeah,
something.
there's no reading. You
Close.
have to
Mhm.
like set it and then remember what you set it to.
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck is?
I think mine just. Oh.
Yeah, we should have a function to get it.
So I mean, I wish that they would implement this just in our menu, so it didn't have to be world based.
I mean, don't you know? They want VRChat creators to do all the work for them.
Well, I mean, but like, you want to be in any. So for example, FFF. People have a problem, like they're in a conversation group, they want to be talking to the people that are in front of them, but the people behind them are overpowering the conversation. They want to have the directionality up pretty high, but then I also want to change venues every week. So like, it'd be I would much rather have this be something that was like, went with you, than tied to a world. That would be really cool.
I feel like generic response would be new UI.
Yeah. I don't know that this is even on their
It's
roadmap
probably
for the
not.
future, but yeah. Okay, but
I was
I'm gonna
talking
go
to
ahead and get
TCL
off then
about it,
because my face is so upset with me from being in VR for so much this weekend, and I'm also hungry, so I'm glad the meetup is over a little bit earlier this week. Yay!
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Monaco. How are you?
Wait,
if you have music on your avatar in an animation, for example, then you can play
Okay.
with that.
Udon Spotlight video.
Oh, there's a Lakuza.
You can't increase it artificially.
Makuza? What?
Oh, sorry, my comment.
I was gonna say Lakuza's making an appearance.
Oh no, he did earlier, and so I was just taking a look at it, see if there's anything new. But okay, I'll get off, and I will see you guys.
Oh,
later.
yes. What was that? Bye.
I just needed people to record a video in fax machines as well for Udon Spotlight.
What's
so
the volumetric
anyone wants to join in, but
Okay.
So imagine.
I should probably stop the stream though.
Wait, you need people for a recording?
Probably.
When it's set, so I can hear you when I'm like.
If you want to be in a Udon
outside
Spotlight
of
video,
your radius.
go through the portal.
When you set
Sure.
it like 2 meters and I get into that.
It's about midnight, but sure.
Then I can't hear from where you talk.
Let's see, where is this at? I'm just gonna go ahead and put the shader up. No, it's the wrong one. Wait, wrong, no! Why is this not letting me doing it? There we go, thanks for coming. Okay, I really wish I had my 3.0 one since it's, it's broken in this update.
I know that pain.
Oh, we're going to the. Wait.
He just wants to do like testing for a video. Or no, he wants to record a video for like the spotlight thing. So I'll just go ahead and I'm not sure what all is going to happen in here, but I'm going to go ahead and end the stream early. So thank you guys for watching, and yep, see you again next week.